Imagine this: you wake up one day, decide to skip breakfast, and embark on a simple yet profound journey. You're fasting, not for a trendy diet or a spiritual ritual, but to discover what happens inside your body when you give it a break from food. It might seem small, but every cell in your body is about to experience something extraordinary. Curious? Let's take this step by step. Together, we'll explore how your body transforms hour by hour, and why fasting could unlock benefits you never thought possible. But don't just take my word for it. Picture your body as an intricate machine, one that resets, repairs, and rejuvenates when given the chance. The question is, how does this actually work? And what secrets is your body hiding when it comes to fasting? Let's dive in. Now, imagine this machine has been running non-stop for years. It's incredible how well it functions, but it's also easy to overlook the wear and tear it endures. With fasting, it's like shutting down the engine temporarily, not to stop it entirely, but to give it the maintenance it desperately needs. This pause isn't just restorative, it's transformational. Every hour of fasting tells a story, a silent symphony of your body's resilience and intelligence. So, let's start from the beginning, right after your last bite of food. You might not notice it yet, but your body is already hard at work. Hour 1 to 8, the digestive calm begins as soon as you finish your last meal, your body shifts gears. The carbohydrates you consumed are broken down into glucose, your primary energy source. This glucose fuels everything from your thoughts to your physical movements. Insulin, your body's gatekeeper hormone, ensures that glucose is absorbed by your cells and stored for later use. For the first 8 hours, it's business as usual. You feel energized, focused, and ready to take on the day. But beneath the surface, a subtle transition is underway. Your body's glycogen stores, its battery pack of readily available energy, are slowly depleting. Here's where the magic begins: as glycogen levels drop, your body starts preparing for a shift. It knows it needs an alternative energy source, and it's about to tap into its most reliable reserve, your stored fat. At this stage, you might not feel any different. But the gears inside you are turning. Your body's incredible design is quietly laying the foundation for what comes next, a transition that will reshape how your body functions and thrives. Stay with me. The real transformation is just getting started. Hour 12 to 24, the switch to fat burning. By the 12-hour mark, your body enters a fascinating metabolic state. Insulin levels plummet, and your body begins breaking down fat into fatty acids. These fatty acids are converted into ketones, a dynamic fuel source for your brain and muscles. Why does this matter? Ketones aren't just an energy backup, they're a superior fuel source. They're cleaner, more efficient, and have been shown to improve mental clarity and focus. In essence, your brain starts running on premium-grade fuel. But let's pause and think about the deeper implications. Your body isn't just switching fuel sources, it's becoming more adaptable, resilient, and self-reliant. This metabolic flexibility is a hallmark of health, allowing you to thrive even when external resources are scarce. Around this time, your cells begin a process called autophagy. Imagine tiny repair crews moving through your body, identifying damaged cells, and recycling their components. Autophagy is like spring cleaning for your cells. It eliminates waste, removes dysfunctional components, and creates room for growth and renewal. It's not just maintenance, it's optimization at the cellular level. What's even more fascinating is the impact on your immune system. Autophagy targets old and damaged immune cells, making way for newer, more effective ones. This not only strengthens your defense system, but also reduces inflammation throughout your body. Think of it this way: every hour of fasting is like giving your body a chance to take out the trash, rebuild its foundation, and optimize its performance. This isn't just science, it's evolution in action. Your body is designed for moments like this, and it's thriving. And here's the best part: this is only the beginning. As you continue your fasting journey, the transformations become even more profound. Are you ready to see what's next? Hour 24 to 36, the cellular superpower stage. At the 24-hour mark, your body enters a transformative phase. Autophagy intensifies, targeting worn-out cells and replacing them with healthier, more efficient ones. It's as if your body has flipped a switch, prioritizing repair and rejuvenation over everything else. Your gut, often referred to as your second brain, also benefits immensely during this stage. The lining of your gut, which regenerates every few days, is now healing at an accelerated rate. Beneficial bacteria flourish, improving gut health and reducing inflammation. This can lead to enhanced digestion, a stronger immune response, and even a more stable mood. This connection between your gut and brain is profound. Research has shown that a healthy gut can influence mental clarity, reduce stress, and even boost happiness by increasing serotonin production. In essence, as your gut heals, so does your mind. But that's not all. During this phase, your body's inflammatory markers begin to decrease. Chronic inflammation, which has been linked to numerous diseases, is now being actively reduced. This means that fasting isn't just healing your cells, it's fortifying your long-term health. By now, your body is not just surviving, it's thriving. Every system is working in harmony, guided by your body's innate intelligence. This is your body at its best, efficient, resilient, and brimming with potential. Think of this phase as your body's superpower. You've given it the time and space to perform miracles, and the rewards are unfolding before you. And yet, there's still more to uncover as we move forward in this journey. Hour 36 to 48, hormonal harmony and brain boosts. Beyond 36 hours, the changes become even more profound. Your body produces more human growth hormone, HGH, which plays a vital role in repairing muscles, boosting metabolism, and slowing the aging process. It's often referred to as the fountain of youth hormone. HGH doesn't just help your body recover, it actively enhances it. Your skin may feel more radiant, your muscles stronger, and your metabolism more efficient. It's as if your body is turning back the clock, making you feel younger and more vibrant. Meanwhile, your brain is undergoing its own transformation. ketones continue to provide a steady, efficient energy source, ensuring your mind stays sharp and focused. But there's more. Fasting stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of neurons. BDNF has been called fertilizer for the brain for good reason. It enhances learning, memory, and overall cognitive function. Imagine being able to think clearer, solve problems faster, and feel more creative than ever before. This stage is a testament to your body's resilience and intelligence. You're not just fasting, you're unlocking your true potential. Every cell, every system, is working together in harmony, proving that your body is capable of extraordinary feats. Think of how far you've come on this journey. From the first few hours to this moment, your body has shown its remarkable ability to adapt, heal, and thrive. And the best part: there's still more to explore as we move into the next phase of fasting. Our 48 and beyond, the Master Reset Hour. After 48 hours, fasting reaches its peak benefits. Your body now enters a state of profound renewal and resilience. Inflammation, a silent contributor to aging and chronic diseases, has significantly decreased. This reduction not only protects your heart and organs but also sharpens your overall vitality. Your immune system is rejuvenated. Old and damaged immune cells have been cleared away, making room for the production of stronger, more efficient ones. This process, often referred to as immune system reboot, fortifies your body against potential threats. One of the most remarkable benefits at this stage is the repair of your DNA. Prolonged fasting activates pathways that repair damage to your genetic code, safeguarding against mutations that could lead to diseases like cancer. Your body is actively protecting your future self. Mentally, you might notice a deep sense of clarity and calm. The prolonged production of ketones and BDNF not only sharpens your focus but also enhances your emotional well-being. Fasting at this stage can feel like a mental reset, helping you reconnect with your purpose and priorities. But perhaps the most profound transformation is spiritual. There's something empowering about knowing you've given your body the time and the space to heal itself. It's a reminder of your resilience, your strength, and the incredible intelligence within you. This isn't just a physical journey, it's a journey of self-discovery. The journey doesn't end here. Every fasting experience is a step toward better health, deeper awareness, and a stronger connection with your body. Whether you continue fasting or prepare to break it with mindful nourishment, you've unlocked a deeper understanding of what your body is capable of. You've reset your system, rejuvenated your cells, and reignited your potential. Imagine what's next when you carry this knowledge forward. So, what's the takeaway? Fasting isn't just a tool for weight loss or a fleeting trend. It's a profound practice of self-care, discovery, and empowerment. It's about giving your body the time it needs to repair, rejuvenate, and thrive, unlocking capabilities you might not have even known were there. Every fasting journey is unique. Whether you fast for 12 hours, 24 hours, or even push further, each moment is a gift to your body and mind. It's a chance to pause, reset, and realign with what truly matters. Your body is a remarkable system, designed to heal, adapt, and thrive when given the opportunity. And fasting is one of the most natural and effective ways to harness this power. The benefits you've seen here, from mental clarity to cellular rejuvenation, are just the beginning of what's possible. Now, it's your turn. What will your fasting journey look like? Will you explore intermittent fasting, a longer fast, or simply be more mindful of how you nourish your body? The answers are already within you, waiting to be unlocked. Remember, every small step you take is a step toward better health and deeper awareness. And you're not alone on this journey. Join the community of those who have experienced the transformative power of fasting, and let's support one another in unlocking our fullest potential. Together, let's redefine what it means to live, thrive, and embrace the incredible potential within us all.